Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. Now today we are doing something that's totally new for me, and we are doing a mechanical keyboard review. Now I've tried mechanical keyboards in the past in shops, like my local Curry's, which is an electrical store in the UK, and I didn't really like them, you know. And plus, because my computer is in the living room with other people, I've always gone for quieter membrane keyboards. I know you can get quiet switches. I don't really understand all the different switches, but I know you can get silent types. But the ones in my local Curry's store, they only had the noisy type, like really clicky, and I thought, nah, this is just going to annoy everyone else I live with. So yeah, I decided, with Christmas coming up as well, it might be a good time to actually buy myself a mechanical keyboard. Anyway, after doing a little bit of research, and I wanted to spend no more than 50 quid, I know they can go up for a lot of money, and I went for the Ajazz AK980. Now this is a Starry Night Grey edition. They do the different colour schemes. So it actually comes in quite a decent box. This was from AliExpress. You can get this on Amazon, but it is cheaper on AliExpress, which is why I bought it on AliExpress. It's all about saving money on this channel, people. Saving money. So in the box we get... Okay, that's what you get in a box. Stay. Instructions. You get a key remover, a keycap remover. You get a USB-A to USB-C cable. That looks quite like a decent length cable as well. And then you get the keyboard, which is protected under this Ajazz. That's all you get in the box. It's got foam at either end. So it's not near the edge of the box. So if it does get a whack, it should be okay. That didn't work. We get a look at the keyboard itself. I just think, yeah, the greys, the yellows, I really like it. But there are other colour schemes, so if this isn't your thing, they've got like a purple one, a blue one. They've got some with a screen. I got one with a screen, which is a little bit more dearer. They do a version of this without a screen, which is cheaper. Depends whether you want the screen or not. I like that. I like that quite a bit, actually. This is a triple mode mechanical keyboard. So it does, as I say, it has got hot swappable switches. So you can, if you don't like the sound when you press the keys, you can change the switches. On the back, you've got your USB-C connection. You can use it. The free modes are, going off track again. I wrote things down on teleprompts and I'm ignoring it. The three things are wired. You've got Bluetooth, or you've got 2.4 gigahertz wireless. And it's also got a switch for Windows and Mac. This will work with Windows and Mac. I'll just quickly show you what is on the back. And as you can see, it's easy to change modes. I will say this has got quite a bit of weight to it. It's quite heavy. And this does come with an 8,000 milliamp hour battery, which will give you, I believe it's up to 28 hours with the RGB on, or the backlighting on, and 110 hours with the backlighting off. So that's pretty good. I mean, you know, you've got no worries about it if you're having a mega gaming session. If it's fully charged, it's going to last all night. But truthfully, I'll probably use it wired mode anyway with the laptop, because that's what I plan to use it for with my laptop, because laptop keyboards are never great. I'm doing a lot of editing, a lot of typing on that keyboard, a lot of replying to emails when I get home from work, and you know, different potential collaborations and things where more and more companies are contacting me now. And you've got to filter out the ones that are trying to scam me with the genuine ones, and it takes a bit of time. And anyway, gone off track again, right? Fucking hell, talk about a keyboard. So the reason why I went for this one is partly the colour scheme. It just kind of caught my eye. I think the two different greys, the grey keys, you got light grey, dark grey, and then the few yellow kind of accent keys on there. You know, you've got your enter over here, enter, spacebar, escape, all yellow. It just pops. It just, you know, it makes it stand out. You've also got a volume wheel, which is metal, and it does click. And you've got this little screen. Now, to get the screen to work properly, you do have to download some software from the Ajazz website, and it does tell you when you go to install it. Windows does give you a warning that, you know, this could harm your blah blah blah. I installed it anyway, and basically it then allows you to, the time wasn't correct, the date, I think the date was correct, but the time was well out, and once I downloaded the software, the time matched the computer, so everything was then fine. So let's plug this in. Let me turn the light out a minute. Okay, hopefully now you'll be able to see the RGB, and you can change it easily. So you can go through the scroll wheel, and as you can see, you can change the different effects. And I actually think, especially last night when I was in the kitchen with the lights not on too, the light above me not on anyway, it's quite bright. There's multiple modes you can have. The RGB on this is nice. You can set it to just a standard colour as well. If you want it just one colour, there's multiple colours to choose from. Yeah, the RGB on this, seriously cool. You can also see that little screen. Which at the moment is saying is 852, because guess what? It's 852. The light is back on, and we can see my beautiful face again. Okie dokie. Now, one of the most important things about a keyboard is obviously how it types. And when I first got this out of the box and I hit the keys, I was like, it sounds like a bag of bones. Whoops, shit. I forgot I'm connected. I don't know what I'm doing on the laptop. That's throwing a wobbler at the moment. I'll probably press too many keys or whatever. I don't know. But yeah, if, So first I got it out and I was like, nah, that's going back because it's too clicky, it's too noisy. But then I replied to a few emails and I fell in love with it. I can now kind of understand what people say about a mechanical keyboard. If you can, get a mechanical keyboard rather than a membrane keyboard. The feel of them it's just something else. It's weird. It's hard to explain. But I started to like the clicks as you're typing because it lets you know you've made contact. It's not with a membrane. It's a bit mushy. Sometimes you think you've pressed it all the way down. You haven't. It doesn't register. With these, you hear the click. It's registered. And I'm not a fast typer. I can touch type to a degree and then I go a bit wrong and then I have to look and then okay. I can do certain words, touch type, but the rest of it, certain letters, I have to look for where they are. The ones you don't use as much. But I can only type about 40 words a minute. I'm not fast. But with this, I've done a couple of speed test runs last night, and I got 48 words per minute. I've never got 48. Yeah, I was quite chuffed. I was finding that I wasn't hitting the keys. I wasn't hitting 2 keys at once. This is a really nice keyboard to type on. Yeah, I was surprised. Now, I didn't really know too much about the switches that this came with. It says it comes with the Gift Switch V2, whatever maybe that means something to you guys that know something about mechanical keyboards, or maybe that is something that is unique to Ajazz. I don't know. I've always seen like cherry switches, like reds and browns and blues and different things. But yeah, this one says Gift Switch V2. No idea what that means. As you can tell, it is a bit clicky. But I actually like it now. I do a lot on my editing in the kitchen because I like using the kitchen table. I can put my laptop out, I can put my cameras out, phones, anything I need to get B-roll off. I've got more room here than I have on my desk. My desk is small, it's too small. But it's the only desk, it's the biggest we could fit in that corner of the room. So it doesn't matter that I've got a clicky keyboard if I'm in the kitchen and people are in the living room watching telly, it's fine. I can click away. It doesn't, it shouldn't annoy anyone. So yeah, in terms of like in the past where I've tried to go for quieter membrane keyboards, that was mainly my reason behind it. I didn't want to annoy other people. I used to game a lot in there. Well, my wife watches her soaps. I'm not really into soaps, so I used to sit in the corner, play a few games when I got home from work. I used to play games with the kids. My son has got a decent PC upstairs. He doesn't use it anymore. He's just always on his Switch. But now, obviously, to give this a proper test, I also had to play a few games last night. I didn't play for long. I played a few. I played a bit of 7 Days to Die. I played a little bit of Raft and a little bit of Minecraft because these are things I've got on the laptop that I had on there from previous testing of things. And Yeah, even playing games, you do notice that you've got a better keyboard. Will it make me a better gamer? Probably not. Probably not. But it's so easy to know because of the clicks when you've hit a key. Oh, I'm still bloody pressing things on the laptop. Get off. Playing games, you can tell that you've pressed the key down properly because of the click. And pressing the keys on this, it feels nice. The way they're cushioned. It feels really nice. And the spacebar sounds good. The spacebar on my Red Dragon, it sounds springy. It's not a good sound. In fact, let's go and get the Red Dragon. So this is the Red Dragon that I use with my main PC. Membrane keyboard. And this is a Red Dragon Shiva Pro 98, model number K515 RGB Pro. And this has been a decent keyboard. I don't mind it, and it's a lot quieter. But the spacebar, listen, I'll do the spacebar by the mic. It's horrible. It's just, yeah, that springy noise. Now, if you're doing it and you don't take your thumb off it, but it's just like when you're typing and you hit the spacebar, that noise gets on my wick. In fact, why don't I open up Notepad or something, and then pressing keys ain't going to matter, is it? There we go. Do a new one there. This one, typing, it just sounds nice. Yeah, I like this. I like this a lot. So 2 questions. Do I recommend this keyboard? Yeah. For around £50 on AliExpress, this is a really nice keyboard. A lot of features, a lot of you can set up the RGB pretty much how you want, and the RGB looks good. Clicky sound of the keys and everything. You're either going to like it or you're not, but you can change the switches. I will show you in a minute. I'll take one of the keycaps off and I'll show you how you do that as well. Question 2, will I go back to membrane keyboards, or am I now converted to mechanical keyboards? I'd say I'm converted. Yeah, I'm not sure my family will like me clicking away while typing or playing games, but I like it, and that's all that matters. Right? Now you get this key puller that comes with the actual keyboard. Okay, so if you want to remove a key or keys, literally you slide this down the side of the key. Let's remove one of the bottom ones. Let's remove FN. So you just put that either side of the key, which is easier said than done when you're holding the keyboard and trying to do this, and then push down until it goes under the key. And then once it's under the key, pull up and off that comes. And then you can see underneath the actual switch. This, you turn it around, it's got 2 little slots, you push it in and you can pull it out. And there you can see that is now pulled out, and this is what I believe you can change. This is what gives you your different sounds, your different sound deadening and things, your clicky sounds and stuff. So this is the switch. So if you wanted to customize, or if you wanted to change a few of your colors of your keys, you can. If you wanted to buy some more yellow ones and spread them around, you could. And then literally you just push it back in, push that back on, and that's it. That is basically how you change your keys. Now I've never done it before, so obviously if you know what you're doing, you can probably get them out really quick, really easy. As I say, first time taking the key out, and I think I've done amazingly well. Probably the FN key will never work again. No, I'm joking. So yeah, the Ajazz keyboard has really impressed me. Oh, actually, I forgot to show the back. Cool. This is life. Weird. Huh? That's not me quoting. That's what it says on the bottom. This is life. Weird, huh? So what do you guys think of this Ajazz AK980 mechanical keyboard? Is it something you'd consider? Is it something you've bought in the past? Have you got one? What do you think of yours? Has it been reliable? Because obviously that's the downside of me buying things and reviewing things. I can tell how they are when they're new, but and I could say, yeah, this is a really good keyboard, but in 3 months' time, it might break, or they might not be the most reliable. So if you've got one of these, or if you had one of these, and you're still using it, it's still great, or it's giving you a few problems, let me know. Drop a comment and let me know. If you've got any questions about this, as usual, ask away. I will do my best to answer if I can. Yes, hopefully you've enjoyed this video. You've found it somewhat informative. I am an amateur when it comes to mechanical keyboards. You can probably tell that. But this has actually, it did kind of get me quite, I won't say excited, but I enjoyed playing with it. I enjoyed messing around with it. I enjoyed seeing how it works and everything. And usually when I get a keyboard, after a couple of minutes, I'm like, okay, yeah, it's got pretty lights. It's a keyboard. What else is it going to do? Type, But this, I actually really enjoyed using it. Really enjoyed messing with it. And it's now my keyboard. Something else I've got to keep. I've got to put away every time I put my stuff away. The things we do, eh? The things we do. I'm going to get out of here. Thank you guys for watching. I hope to see you again very, very soon in the next one. But for now, guys, I will say bye, guys.